So here's my review for the DWALT7491RS, I guess rolling stand. And this is my second saw. Sent the first one back, and the second one does the same thing. And I've had numerous amount of tools throughout the years, and this just doesn't seem right to me. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Looks like it's some kind of brake system in there. I'm not sure. I don't like it. I sent the first one back because of it, and sending this one back as well. Think I'm gonna get the smaller one, the 7485, save a couple of $100 on that, and it's more than enough for what I use it for. So if that's supposed to happen, I don't know. I just don't like it.
Boom! Mind blown.